Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Chrome is updated and you've saved your tabs. Once done, type Chrome //netinternals/#DNS in the address bar to reach Chrome's DNS tools. This is faster than changing system settings. You do this because Chrome caches DNS separately, which can keep old records even after the system is cleared. Make sure you have admin access on the machine in case you need to run system commands afterward. Now proceed to clear the browser cache on the next screen. You'll now remove Chrome's stored DNS entries and reset connections. Click Clear Host Cache on the DNS page. This drops cached name-to-address mappings inside Chrome. Next, go to Chrome //netinternals/#sockets and choose Flush Socket Pools so Chrome recreates connections without old DNS bindings. If your Chrome version lacks net internals, open Settings, right arrow Privacy and Security, right arrow Security and disable Secure DNS, or set it to use your. To finish, quit Chrome fully and relaunch it. Open the target website to confirm the DNS change took effect. If the issue remains, flush your operating system's DNS cache. On Windows, run ipconfig/flushdns in an admin prompt. On Mac OS, run the appropriate sudo killall HUPM DNS responder command, because Chrome can fall back to system caches. If problems continue, check the hosts file, any VPN or custom DNS service, and disable suspicious extensions. One quick troubleshooting tip: test with another browser to isolate Chrome from system or network causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.